Welcome to Tekla TED's trial. This video will walk you through the process of downloading, installing, activating, and getting started with TEDs. On the TED's trial website, click Download Now. Depending on your browser, the executable file will download at the bottom of the screen or ask you for a location to save the file. Once downloaded, click on the file to run the installation. Click OK and Next through the installation wizard until it's finished. A welcome dialog screen will open automatically upon completion of the installation. You must register before you can start using TEDs. Click on Register. This will open an internet browser to the registration page. Fill in all of your information. Once done, at the bottom of the screen, click Register. You will see this thank you screen if the registration was successful. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll receive an email with the activation license. Open the email and read through the content. Then highlight the series of numbers and letters next to Your Pack. Use Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy the product activation key or pack. Double-click on the Start TEDs icon. In the Welcome screen, select Activate. This will open the License Manager. On the Activate screen, click Next. In the space provided, use Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste the pack. Then click Next. You should see the licenses listed in the activation screen with the green check marks. Click Close to finish. The Welcome screen will now update to include a Start TEDs option. Click on this option to load TEDs. Read through this introduction screen and click Close. The calculation library will now open. This is where you can review and run the calculations. The trial will have a shortened list of available calculations for you to sample, but a full list will be available at the end so that you can see what the program contains. Double-click on a folder to view the calculation. The calculation itself will be denoted by the cube icon. When you click on a calculation, the right-hand side will show you information about it. This includes scope, assumptions and limitations, references, and revisions. We also have several examples that you can review. These already contain inputs so you can see how a completed calculation will look. Double-click on the calculation or select and click Calculate to start. TEDs calculations are made up of user interfaces. It's good practice to work top to bottom and left to right. Red buttons indicate sections you must click on to proceed. These will open a new interface with more input options. Dialog boxes with a white background are editable. You can either input your own value, or if applicable, select from a drop-down list or up-down arrows. If the background is gray, you can only select from the available list. Once you've run through the entire calculation, a summary of the design will populate on the main interface. Here you can see a list of the design checks, capacities and demand, utilization ratios, and pass-fail statements. You can then make changes to the inputs for any failures before completing the calculation. All calculations will give you different options for output. This includes adding a unique title, level of output, and selecting if you want to show different sketches. Click OK to close the interface. The document will now show the full calculation with descriptions, equations, code clauses, and pass-fail statements. To work on a new design, click the New icon at the top of the screen. You can now go through the library and select a new calculation. Make sure to explore the many different calculations that TEDs has to offer. Thank you for your interest in Tekla TEDs, and we hope you enjoy the TEDs trial.